welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this memory chest I just bought. You can see the box here. This is the memory chest. Look at the box is like very kids type. Wonderful world. What is this? Nature. I don't know what is that. Let's open it quickly. So I've opened it up. You can see it's very weird how I opened it. And for some reason the paint is also going, you can see. I don't know how, even though it's just so new. I got it. So I'll quickly explain it to you guys how to use it. First you're gonna place all these in this. Okay. I'll first quickly put everything. I've placed everything. So now I'll tell you. You get this dice and you have to roll it. I got red. So let's see. If I take one and it's red. No, it's not. So I'm going to keep this and it's other player's turn. If he does this, he got yellow. And if he remembers the position, he'll take this yellow. Not only this, if it's also his wish. But if he also remembers, he can use the same one. And after this, he'll get another chance to do. And then he'll take, if it's correct, yes. Then once again, he's going to take it. And but he did not get. So next turn. And after like this, once all these pieces are over and whoever has the more coins wins the match. So this is how you play it. It's pretty easy and fun because I've tried it with my friends. So you can see this is a box, memory chest. Yes, you cast color in there. So this is it. So you can see everything. I'll put it back on everything and everything is back in place. So now I'm done keeping. This is a box. I'll close it. There's nothing inside. See, I can shake it and you can also see inside. There's nothing. Leave it. Everything up now. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.